Have you ever thought about how airway expansion actually works? It's more than just widening the jaw. Airway expansion in orthodontics focuses on creating more space in the upper airway. By using special appliances to gently expand the palate, we can improve how air flows through the nose and throat. This often leads to better breathing, deeper sleep, and reduced issues like snoring or mouth breathing, especially in kids. It's a treatment that doesn't just straighten teeth, but supports your overall health and development. Breathing well starts with the right foundation. Here are some before and after cases.
Tribeca Dental Studio.